Integration 45th point. Here I am going to discuss another special type of problem. That means another special function for which we need to evaluate its integral. Look, there I have two problems here. These two problems are again similar and the procedure is same to find the integral. I am going to solve this first one. In the same way, it is easy for you to answer the second one. Okay. So how to solve this first one? Before going to solve this first one, just observe the problem. Integral of x square by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. So here, see, since it is x square and this is x sin x plus cos x whole square dx, one thing I do is, you just observe this denominator x sin x plus cos x and then try to calculate its derivative. What? Derivative of this x sin x plus cos x, okay? Okay, observe d by dx of x sin x plus cos x. See, what is the derivative of this x sin x plus cos x? This is equals to x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of x is 1, and for derivative of cos x, which is minus sin x. So sin x and sin x gets cancelled, we left with x cos x. Okay. Derivative of this denominator is x cos x. So I need to get that x cos x in the numerator of the function. Okay. So I will rewrite this given problem as this is equals to integral. I need x cos x here. Okay. X cos x divided by x sin x plus cos x whole square into, to balance, I need to divide with cos x. X by cos x dx. Is it right? Here we have x square. So x into x square, cos x and cos x both gets balanced. And now just have a look. This is something square and its derivative in the numerator. I need to go for its calculating its integration. So I need to use integration by parts formula. So integration by parts formula means UV rule, first function, second function. Okay. What is the first function? What is the second function? That's what we need to think. I will take this as first function, that means U, and this as second function, that means V. Then what is our answer? This is equals to U into integral V dx minus integral U dash into integral V dx and this total part of dx. Is it right? This is our integration by parts step. So to go with this method, I need derivative of this U, I need integration of V. So you just try to observe those two here. Now, what is U dash? U dash is what? Differentiation of this x by cos x. Denominator cos x into derivative of numerator 1 minus numerator x into derivative of denominator. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x divided by cos square x. This is U dash. See, just observe this. This again will become like cos x plus x sin x. Okay. Now integration of this. What is integral of v dx? Integral of v dx means integration for this part. Look there. This is some t. If you take it as some t, its derivative is x cos x as we discussed. So this is nothing but integral of 1 by t square dt format by taking this x sin x plus cos x as t. So integral of 1 by t square dt is nothing but minus 1 by t. Okay. What is that t there? That t is this x sin x plus cos x. Here also we have x sin x plus cos x. By taking t for some time as x sin x plus cos x, this is equals to t by cos square x and this is minus 1 by t. Just by taking this part, what that part? X sin x plus cos x as t for some time. And now what is this answer? This is equals to u into, what is u basically? X by cos x, right? X by cos x into integral of v. Integral of v is this minus 1 by t minus integral u dash. What is that u dash? T by cos square x into integral of v. What is this integral of v? Minus 1 by t of dx. This t and t gets cancelled. Minus of minus is plus. So this is equals to x by cos x into minus 1 by t. That means minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Now minus of minus is plus, integral 1 by cos square is secant square x dx. So this part is without integral, right? And that is integral of secant square x dx, and we know that integral of secant square x is tan x. So this is equals to at the end minus x divided by cos x into x sin x plus cos x plus integral of secant square x is tan x plus c, some constant of integration. Just have a look, another useful and then standard integration problem. Okay, so both are similar. Man first problem discuss chesam, you just try second one in the same way. So first of all you need to observe the derivative of this denominator part x sin x plus cos x. It is x cos x. So I need to get that I need to make that x cos x in the numerator. So x cos x by this part. So to balance I need to multiply with x by cos x. After that what will happen? We need to move with integration by parts formula. What is first function and what is the second function? Just I am taking it as first function and it as second function. Why? Because its derivative is easy to calculate and its integration is easy to calculate. And then this is integration by parts formula. Use integral v dx and u dash everything, and it is very simple to answer. Just have a look. This is one of the standard type of integration problem. Okay. Recently, this type of problem previous mains exam lo kuda icharu, recent examination lo. Okay. So that's what it is most important to learn this type of problem. For doubts just mention.